I was born with an anemic issue. So from birth it was very struggle for me. Like I have reached a point I was so weak that my parents once thought they, they were ready to accept that if I might not live, there was a year or two in my life where I was not able to even get up from my bed. So I have at the age of 5, so my disease, that disorder, even after maintaining proper diet, at the age of 5 the anemia struck me very hard, that I was in hospital for around 6 to 7 months. So
Okay.
in that process I missed the school admissions also. So I have missed my first standard admissions. So it took me a year to get back to normal. I got discharged from hospital. I started, so my mom did homeschooling for me for 2 3 4 months. Then I, instead of going to first standard, I directly went to second standard. So schooling education was done at home. So my parents requested the school that she's really bright, she's good in studies, those kind of things. So which led me to the directly jumping to second standard, not first standard. So
Yeah.
it saved my 1 year. Like I
Yeah.
was able to catch up with the other students of my age. And yeah, since you have mentioned army school, I was very like a bookworm kind of student, like like homework on time,
Acha.
everything on top, school uniform, those kind of things I was. So my parents were little scared. Ki they didn't allow me to take part in any kind of sport activities.
Yes.
Although I used to play in school, but I have to hide it that my
Oh,
parents should not get.
find out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and so school tournament I used to play whichever they were in school, but if they had something involved to go to outside school or even to the
Oh,
school nearby, so that I had
that
to
you
say
could
no,
not.
that no, my parents won't allow me.
Okay. So that must have
So
been really tough.
yeah.
Yeah.
So although I was not into fitness and for the first 22 24 years of my life was but I had good habits in me, like we waking up on time, sleeping on
Okay.
time. So these habits were there in me. So in 2018 when I came to Pune. So post my everything work experience when I joined Cummins from Pune. So one of my colleague who had joined with me, so she introduced herself that she's a marathon runner. So I like, what marathon runner? Is because I have only heard on TV, being from a small town like Patiala. So marathon running are not such a great thing which you can see daily people doing, right? So
Yeah.
that was it. Like so I signed up for a 6K run. So it was happening just near my house only. So it was so I thought ki let's sign up for a 6 kilometers, because I was not a runner, so I didn't practice also a lot.
Yeah.
So I signed up for a 6K run happening just around my house. Then I went for it. So yeah, after that things changed. Like I really like the experience. So that experience is still very much alive in me. That how I started. I was not running also fully. Like out of 6 kilometers, maybe I ran only for two 2 kilometers. For the rest of the time, I was just walking.
Yeah, because
So yeah, so that's how it started. So the small experience, like getting on time, seeing many people running. So there were around 10 to 15,000 people were there running together. So I thought, yeah, it is something. People are running together for a cause, or they have some personal agenda. So that whole experience made me कि अभी मुझे और करना है. तो then I signed for next marathon in next month only. Then slowly I moved from 6 kilometers to 10 kilometers. So that's how the journey started.
oh, that's so cool. So it was not a deliberate move from your side. It was more
Yeah,
like you just went to experiment
yeah,
with,
right.
okay, so this is something really cool this other women lady is doing. Let me just try it out. That was all
Yeah,
it was.
yeah, because the environment of Pune is very much athletic. Like
Yes.
people are into sporting thing. Like if you get up in the morning at 5 or 6, you'll be people around running, walking,
Okay.
cycling. So the whole crowd was around me was into of runners, cyclists who are into fitness. So I used to think that maybe I'm feeling left out little bit. So let me also try कि करके तो देखते हैं एक बार. So I like to experiment different things. So yeah,
Yeah.
so I
But
just tried it.
something very nice that you mentioned was that something that helped was that you have always had growing up this habit of like getting up in time and
Yeah, so
being.
that was, yeah.
Yeah,
So those things were in their means. So discipline, which is required for that sport, like running or any sport, the
yeah.
discipline and to get up on time, to decide your time of sleeps, what to eat and when to eat. So all this was in place. So for me, that journey, that transition was not that tough, to be honest.
Okay, okay. Which is tough because for most people, it is not the like even from personal point of view, like someone who's never been very fit,
Hmm.
the exercise part of fitness is never the tough part. It is the routine, like making sure
Yeah,
you get there on time, making sure you eat properly. So that is the
right.
tough part, which is lucky for you that you imbibed those qualities since you were like
Hmm.
growing up.